And to enhance the efficiency of aid and service distribution, the government is implementing a digital system for financial assistance programs through online platforms. Our Clazel Pardilla has more.
The money Marites receives from the Pantaweek Pamilyang Pilipino program goes towards buying food and her children's allowances. However, this amount is still deducted every time they claim assistance from their barangay going to the municipality of Palapag in Northern Samar.
4,500.
Yun nakukuha nyo. Magkano po yung pamasahe?
Ano? 350.
Ang laki.
Oo.
Pang ano na po sana yon?
Panbigas. Tapos pambili ng mga bata ng gamit.
To speed up the delivery of assistance and services, the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. aims to transition the distribution of various financial assistance online. The Department of Social Welfare and Development has initiated downloading of assistance through e-wallets, encouraging beneficiaries to quickly receive their benefits using online payment apps. The government plans to expand this initiative to other programs such as the Tulong Panghanap Buhay program for disadvantaged and displaced workers or TUPAD under the Department of Labor and Employment.
Yun po ang balakin dahil sabi nga po natin ang naisin po ng Pangulo ay magkaroon ng 90% na digitalization para po yung mabilis ang transaksyon ng mga taong bayan sa pamahalaan. Asahan po natin na kahit papano po, susunod-sunod rin po natin yan sa abot na makakaya ng pamahalaan.
Mas maganda na yan. Ganyan, i-GCash na lang.
Bakit po?
Kasi para hindi makahirap na mag-withdraw.
Malacanang has assured that digital literacy will be taught to citizens to ensure their ability to use technology and online government services is improved.
Isang hakbang ito patungo sa mas inklusibo at makabagong paraan ng pagtulong sa ating mga kababayang nangangailangan sa pamamagitan ng teknolohiya, mas magiging mabilis, epektibo at ligtas ang pagtanggap nila ng suporta mula sa pamahalaan.
Clazel Pardilla for the New and Better Philippines.